Hey everyone, and welcome to Kaswell's Kappa, the channel where you learn how to work on your Kappa step by step. In today's video, we're going to learn how to replace the center console, also known as the front floor console, and the service manual. I'll show you how to remove it step by step, and I'll provide you with everything you need. So, let's get to it. Alright, so when removing our center console, first and foremost, make sure your emergency brake is up. Whenever it's down, it's going to give you a lot less room to maneuver the center console, so make sure your emergency brake is up. There are 5 areas holding this console down. There's 3 clips, and then there's 2 what I call sliders. They slide underneath this panel here. There's one here and one here. The 3 clips, there's one in the front, and then there's 2 in the back. Now whenever you remove this console, you're going to start from the back, but don't just reach in and grab it like so. There are soft spots on the corners, like right here. I know you might not be able to see it. There's a tear happening through both the plastic and the vinyl from individuals taking it and ripping it up. So what I recommend you doing, grab both of the corners or both of the sides here, and this will unlock the 2 clips in the back, like so. And remember, there's another clip up front, and then there's 2 sliders in the front. And this is where it would be difficult to maneuver it if your emergency brake was down. See, it doesn't give you a lot of room to move it around. With it up, it gives us a little bit of space so that we can take the center console, scoot it back just a hair, enough to get the sliders out, and get the front free, like so. See how the front's free now? And then we can just take it and slide it out like so. Alright, so here is our old center console, if y'all can see that. You can see here's the tear here, and then here's the tear in the corner that I told y'all about. There's one on this side as well. So this is the reason I'm replacing it. As you can see, the plastic molding underneath, it's all just, it's gone. This console's trashed. So we're replacing it with this console right here. Here's this console. This is a console out of my Saturn Sky. So if you did not know, these are interchangeable. Here's the bottom for my Saturn Sky. As you can tell, it's in pretty good shape. It does have some wear, and there is a crack running down this side right here as well. That's why it's a little bit deformed in this spot right here. So we're going to go ahead and get this one installed there, now that you see the differences between those. So when you're installing this, of course, slide it through the emergency brake again. Make sure it's up. You have the 2 sliders up front. Make sure that they're going underneath the front panel here, and that they're both underneath it. So that's nice and snug under there. Push in the first clip till you hear it pop. And then for the back, they should automatically be lined up. If not, you'll have to wiggle it a little bit. Push in those 2, one here and one there. Just like so. So that's in and that's in. And if you need to, don't do it too hard. Give it a nice little push. You gotta do the same thing with DDM Work Center console. Just a nice little tug. Nothing to break anything, but enough to pop it in place. So that is how you're going to replace your center console, and this one already looks 100 times better. Granted, it has some deformities here from storing and the plastic being damaged, but way better than having a completely trashed one. So, you have replaced your center console, and you have completed this procedure. Alright, thank you so much for checking out the video. I hope that it helped you out today. I want to remind you to check out the Kaswell's Kappa.website in order to get all kind of great info on the Kappa platform. I got everything from TSVs, pages from the service manual, and even, you know, cool advertisements from way back when for the Saturn Sky, Pontiac, Solstice, and the other models as well. So that's all I have for y'all today, and I will see y'all next time. Until then.